As winter's grip tightens, humans barely venture out from the warmth of their homes. But what goes on within the kingdom of the birds? Let's take a look. You would think the harshness of the weather would make life difficult, but here is a robin feasting on a patch of berries. However, the call of a blue jay seems to cause it some concern, but not enough to stop it from eating. A mourning dove, covered in snow, roosts on a branch, seemingly not affected by the weather at all. A cardinal moves around, surviving on pieces of bush. The weather, however, is not the only source of danger. A family of Cooper's hawks have laid claim to the area. With temperatures hovering around 0 degrees Fahrenheit, what's a duck to do? Here, a robin sits on the ice and sips water from the melt. Mourning doves cover up. A crow finds a frozen meal that catches its interest. Other birds go about the business of survival. But for the old, the weak, or the inattentive, misfortune awaits. Fortunately, with a month to go till spring, the birds know better days are ahead. Good luck to them, and thank you all for viewing.